Now, to introduce you to harmonic minor licks, we have the following. Number one, I'm playing on the key of C. That is lick number one. Alright? So, the re, so, fa, so, mo, re, do. Alright? Now, listen to this. Re, fa, so, ti. Re, fa, so, ti. Alright? Re, fa, so, ti, si, so, fa, so, mo, re, do. Alright? You have it on. Re, fa, so, ti, si, so, fa, so, mo, re, do. Alright? Now, you have another lick in this form. Alright? Ti, do, re, ti, do, so, ti, si, so, fa, so, mo, re, do. Then you play the same thing on the lower octave, alright? 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 That's for that. And you can have another lick in this form. Re, re, mo, re, do, so, si, so, fa, so, ti, do, right? And the next you can have something like this. Alright? You can at the same time have something like this again. Okay? Have something like this in this other format again on your harmonic minor by playing. That's for that. And we can have another lick in this form. Alright? Alright? That's so far somebody do, this is so far somebody do. Alright? Alright? Alright, you can have this again. Alright? Thank you.